Basketball. Ah, why do I always forget my dreams? I wish there was someone I could play them back. There actually might be. Huh? Well, in 2023, researchers in Japan were able to recreate images from human brain scans with over 75% accuracy. For example, from this teddy bear to this teddy bear, or from this airplane to this airplane. I know it sounds dystopian, but it's only becoming more and more accurate. Well, how do they do it then? Well, every time we look at an object and we process that image, different parts of our brain are activated. For example, the temporal lobes register information about the contents of the image. This could be objects, scenery, or people. Whereas the occipital lobes, on the other hand, where the visual cortex is located, handles information about the layout or perspective. This could be the scale or position of the objects. And the cool thing is, we're able to read this brain activity through something called fMRI, or Functional Magnetic Resonance Imaging Brain Scan. By detecting changes in blood flow to active regions of the brain, researchers can see where neurons are the most active, and unique patterns can be associated with different objects. Now, most of your dreams happen in this stage called REM sleep, which stands for Rapid Eye Movement, and this is where the real magic happens. When you dream of a certain image, your brain will produce a very similar brain scan to when you see it in real life. So machine learning algorithms can then predict what a person is imagining just based on pattern similarities. Although there's one big limitation with this. Everyone's brain produces different brain scans, so researchers can't use one universal data set to predict what everyone is dreaming of. For example, one person can have a different emotional response to an image than someone else. However, this is still a huge breakthrough in neuroscience, pushing us closer to understanding the intricate mechanics of the human brain. You know, maybe one day we'll be able to watch dreams on our phone in 4K, but right now, that's just a dream. Good night.